Hey, adventure seekers and content creators. Welcome back to my channel, place for the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, I am diving into the world of action cameras, specifically exploring some alternatives to the ever-popular GoPro. Let's get started. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these action cams from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. There is no doubt about that. The GoPro has been a pioneer in the action camera space, but there are some fantastic alternatives out there that offer similar or even better features. First up on our list is the DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action packs a punch with its dual-screen setup, making it a breeze to frame your shots. It shoots in 4K at 60 frames per second, features rock-steady image stabilization, and has a robust build that can withstand your wildest adventures. Next in line is the Insta360 a modular action camera that lets you switch between 4K wide-angle, 360-degree, and 1-inch sensor modules. This versatility is a game-changer, offering flexibility for various shooting scenarios. But wait, there's more. The Oneer is known for its impressive flow state stabilization, ensuring buttery-smooth footage. It's also got a unique invisible selfie stick feature, giving your shots an unobstructed, floating feel. If you're looking for something compact and budget-friendly without sacrificing performance, the Acaso Brave 7 LE might just be the right fit for you. The Acaso Brave 7 LE is a compact action camera that offers a lot of features at an affordable price. It's ideal for vloggers thanks to a tiny front-mounted selfie screen. The camera boasts 6-axis stabilization across all resolutions and captures still images using a 20-megapixel sensor. It can shoot at up to 120 frames per second in FHD to capture fast action or generate slow-motion footage, although it can only shoot at 30 frames per second in 4K. The overall video quality is decent, but the video can look noisy and lack sharpness. The camera is not natively waterproof. Despite these limitations, it's a reliable, easy-to-use camera. The Canon CoCam 3 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the CoCam 8K. While the CoCam 8K was known for its massive 8K resolution, the CoCam 3 offers a more traditional 360-degree action camera experience with up to 5.7K video resolution. This change was due to the global chip shortage, which made it difficult to source suitable parts for 8K video. The CoCam 3 also features a large 1x1.5-inch sensor, a faster f1.6 aperture, and a leap in photo resolution from 20 megapixel to 62 megapixel. The design has also changed, with the CoCam 3 resembling the GoPro Max's design territory. Despite the lower video resolution, the overall package is more compelling for photographers and videographers. If you still love GoPro, then you can try latest the GoPro Hero 12 Black, released in September 2023, introduced significant changes to the GoPro series. It features a standard tripod mount, the ability to shoot vertical video while the camera is horizontal for easier social media posting, and improvements for better control and color grading while editing video. The Hero 12 Black also includes an all-new image sensor, offering an 8:7 aspect ratio. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the best GoPro alternatives. Remember, the best alternative depends on your personal preferences and needs. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more information on each camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.